So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to link Microsoft Planner with Outlook. So the first thing you want to do is to check on your Microsoft Planner account first. Then from there, just go to My Plans. After that, you can see a couple of plans that have been added on here. So you can add, remove, and stuff like that. So you can do it through there. You can also open some of the plans here, and you can see some options like the names, the pins. You can see the drop down menu and so on, so you can click on that. You can see export to Excel, copy, plan details, so you can check those on here as well. And from here you should see export to Outlook or paste to Outlook, something like that. If not, you will need to publish the plan. Basically means to make it public and to add it to the calendar. After that, you can go to your Outlook, and from there go to Outlook login. So just use Microsoft Outlook as an app through there, and after that you will be able to link it and open your Microsoft Planner, so it's going to appear on your Microsoft Outlook app as well. So just first go to here, or rather to more actions, and you will see the option to export to Outlook if you have published it already. If not, you can consult Microsoft support and they will give you the proper tools to finish up that link. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Planner or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.